is about racing. Project E. Finally, you show yourself. That's an FD. What's that? An H6.
What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. So I just figured, after all the recent success we've been having with Zangetsu in terms of getting things back together, the car looking more presentable, even the performance being a lot better, that's actually something I haven't mentioned yet, but I'll mention it later in this video. I just thought maybe we would take a little bit of a reward, you know. Me and Chef's Pair behind the camera are on what the youngins call these days a vacation. We just basically went away somewhere to get away from it all for the weekend, and we're just going to be taking a little bit of a walk, exploring where we are currently. So enjoy, hopefully.
Ladies and gentlemen, this man right there wants to kill me.
I'm your pilot today.
He wants to kill me. Yeah.
Bye-bye with a Hawkeye Pro Drive spoiler. Beautiful. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's been several days since the vacation that I was at with Chef's Pair, and I'm just here taking care of the slow puncture issues that I've been having with my wheel. So it turns out that it's because the wheel itself is damaged and not the tire. So I'm just having a wheel repair shop take care of that for me quickly. Okay, so here's the repaired wheel. This is where the crack was. As you can see, that's where they've repaired it with some materials. So we shouldn't be having the slow puncture anymore.
If it's leaking or not.
Yeah.
See it now.
Oh, because the water stays.
Here's the crate for this.
Yeah.
So now it's fine.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much, man. Okay, so we are home sweet home from the tire shop, and the tire shop owner was kind enough to give me a lift because I don't live far from him. So you guys might be noticing that we have the interim fender back on, and that's only because we didn't have a hole in the new fender here that allows me to cable tie the bumper to the fender so that it's as flush as possible. But we might be fixing that problem today because we're going back to Basil. Basil tells me that he has the brackets that go on the side of these fenders to make the bumper sit flush. So we'll be picking that up after we've made the change on the wheel. Okay, wheel is back on and freshly repaired. Well guys, as I said in the clip before, we are now at Basil Price's shop. Got a nice GC8 here. This is something I would love to add to the collection after I get the white body STI there. And here we have a Bug-Eye WRX. So I've bumped into this front bumper here at Basil's workshop. I'm just waiting for the guys to get the brackets out of storage for me. And this bumper is coming off of the same car that I got the fender from. Tempting. I mean, it's complete. It's gonna need some paint obviously, but it looks like a nice custom design as well, although it would be wasted on me because I don't have a front mount intercooler and I don't intend to get one. But it's a nice looking bumper though. Okay, so we have, I believe, the left side bracket so far. The guys are still trying to source the right side. Okay guys, it's the following day, and so I wasn't able to get a right side bracket from Basil. He was only able to give me a left side one, but because he's an awesome dude, he didn't charge me for it. So I went and got this right side one from Emil. Shout out to Emil Subaru Spares. I got this one and I've already put it onto the right fender, so I kind of can see an idea of how it works based on how it's sitting. I'm guessing that this part sort of like lip of the front bump, sorry, that wasn't in shot. This sort of like lip part of the front bumper most likely slots into the gaps between the bracket and the fender so that it sort of like clips on. So we're about to experiment with that now. Okay, so we've got the interim fender removed. I've just got a towel trying to cover the door here because I was stupid a couple of days ago. When transplanting the fenders, I scratched up the door here at the bottom pretty good. So I'm trying to prevent that from happening a second time. So, car looks like it's been in a crash again. Okay, so the new fender is on and I'm already starting to see an improvement in terms of like the alignment. I see what the points of those brackets are, because right now we're not completely finished when it comes to the bumper, but the clips are already sort of like guiding the bumper to a better place, so to speak, because it's already sitting very much in line with the fender. I think the reason why it pops out a bit is because of imperfections on the bumper's alignment itself, because it's also been through quite a lot. I think it's been through at least one accident, actually two. One of them was a single car accident where I messed up and drifted and hit a tree, and then the other one was when I hit that Datsun Go, both from the front. So I was able to sort of like pop it back into shape more or less from both of those accidents, but clearly it's not 100% back to what it's supposed to be, but there is definitely improvement. So we'll just need to do a little bit of like some panel beating finagling there just to get it to sit better, but already the job's half done for me thanks to these brackets, so they're pretty cool. Thank you so much to Basil and Emil for the hookup. Now I'm gonna do this side. Okay, so I was coming over to the passenger side to start work there, and after I cut off the cable tie that I had holding the bumper up here, I noticed we already have a bracket on this side. So I think I probably lost the bracket on the other side on my first single car accident, because what happened there was I basically turned left and drifted and lost control until the right side hit I think it was a light pole. So the right fender was completely destroyed, the right stock wheel was completely destroyed, and the lower control arm on the right hand side was also bent. So that's what the repair work that was needed to be done was done, and I think that's when I lost that bracket on the side there. The panel beater that kept this car for 5 months obviously didn't bother to put that back when they gave me a new fender, which I appreciate the fender, but yeah, would have been nice to have a bracket. But anyway, so it looks like we're all done on the front end. Alright guys, that's gonna bring us to the end of today's video. I hope it wasn't too long. I'm just guessing it will be from all the footage that I shot, but I might be overestimating it, I don't know. But I hope you guys found it entertaining. I hope you guys found the variety of content in the video at least a little bit interesting and a break from the norm. All the holiday vlogging shenanigans and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm very happy about the progress that I'm making on the car. It really is. I mean, from the outside, you probably can't share as much the feelings that I have currently, because it still looks pretty beat up. But with the visible progress that I am seeing being made and how the car is feeling and everything, I'm feeling a lot better, a lot more hopeful about seeing this project through to its eventual, well, not end, projects don't really end, but seeing at least the vision that I had in mind slowly take shape. It's quite exciting. So I hope you guys are enjoying that journey with me as well. And yeah, to stop rambling now, I'm gonna bring this to an end. If you did enjoy this video, please click on the thumbs up icon to leave us a like. And if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please go ahead and click subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell icon so that you're notified whenever I drop new content on this here channel. Sorry guys, it's early morning. And as usual people, I've been Zoda Tumashango, and thank you so much for watching. Take care of each other, stay awesome, and keep the dream alive. Peace.
Stable, oh yeah, no label.
love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once.